Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Julio Franco once again. I want to go ahead and say thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. All right, now I want to talk a little bit about affiliate marketing. Okay, if you're starting the journey of affiliate marketing, let me tell you, okay, sometimes it can be overwhelmed if you're not doing it the right way. Okay, so I want to help you to avoid all of that overwhelmed situation, all that stuff. Okay, that's why I created these course. I created this course specifically for brand new people that are starting to make my money online with affiliate marketing. So this is called the affiliate blueprint. Okay. There's so many different ways that you can make money online. I've done I've done MLM, I've done Shopify, I've done e-commerce, I've done t shirts, print or whatever, I've done it all. So I came to find out that the best way to make money online is affiliate marketing. Why? Because it takes little to no investment to get started. Okay. So I want to go ahead and I want to take you to my page, to the course that I created, because I want you to see what you're gonna get. Okay. So this is only for people that are starting online, okay, with affiliate marketing. I don't know if you've done different things out there, but you haven't had any luck, any success. So, I want to go ahead and share this with you real quick. All right. So this is the affiliate blueprint, okay? So pay close attention. Are you tired of juggling? Okay. Tired of juggling work, family, and finances? You dream of providing more for your family, okay, without sacrificing precious time without them or sacrificing precious time with them. Imagine if you can unlock the simple, proven system to earn consistent monthly income, all while spending more quality time with your loved ones. Okay. Inside, this is what you're gonna get. And I'm gonna take you to the dashboard, to the course, the actual course, the back end, so you can see the steps that I've created for you so you can follow with me along. Okay. So inside, you're gonna see how I master affiliate marketing and get financial freedom for you and your family. Okay. You'll discover, which is step by step process to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey, even with no prior experience. Number two, proven strategy to choose the right affiliate products and niche that resonate with your audience. Okay, that's a lot of people do this wrong. Sometimes they want to go ahead and promote a weight loss program to someone that's having that want to make money online with let's say, gosh, with Instagram. You gotta know who are you like perfect targeted audience is. So you gotta find out what or who your niche is. Okay, by that I'm saying, like, who do you want to target, or who do you want to go ahead and audience want, you know you want to target. So, for instance, me, I target people that are starting online with affiliate marketing. I don't know, your audience might be moms that want to lose weight from home. Okay. Who knows? You want to target people that wants to lose weight, or maybe you want to target people or show them how 10 different tips of how to pick up a girl. I don't know. There's so many different products out there for so many different niches, but I specialize in affiliate marketing. So I'm teaching you the basics of affiliate marketing. I'm going to teach you how to pick the right niche, how to pick the right product, and also how to get started with affiliate marketing, how to become an affiliate for different marketplaces, and how to also get approved for affiliate links. That means to get approved for different products that you can promote. So you gotta first find out who are you promoting it to? Who do you want to help out? Okay. So because there's so many different products out there that help different kinds of people. So, all right, insider tips on how to effectively promote affiliate products without being salesy or pushy. Okay. Secrets to scale your affiliate income and achieve true financial freedom for your family. Okay. And I'm also, okay, I've included this right here. I've included this is so I thought about this so hard. Okay, because my time is so everybody's time is so precious, man. That's the way I think about it. I don't like to waste people's time, and I don't like people waste my time. But in this, I'm gonna give you 3 live Zoom classes, okay, to guide you all the way, uh, with any questions that you have after you purchase this course, okay. And also, you're gonna get lifetime access to Affiliate Blueprint. So, guys, this is what you're gonna get inside. You're gonna get the steps on how to do affiliate marketing. You're gonna get the 3 live Zoom classes with me, just in case you have any questions, from A to Z. So you're gonna pretty much learn everything. Okay, you're getting the blueprint. So a lot of people teach out there, go grab this link of this product and post it on Facebook. It's not only about posting a link to Facebook or any other social media platforms. I think you can get banned by doing that. So you want to go ahead and create a lucrative business, okay? You got to look at it for the long term. If you're going to get into affiliate marketing, you can make this a career and it'll pay you well. Trust me. Okay? So this is how much it is, guys. It's only $7, and I'm gonna take you inside of that to actually see the course. All right. All right. So once you're in the course, let me see. Let me go back. You're gonna come over here. You're gonna get your login credentials and all that kind of stuff. But this is the back end of the course, okay? Unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing success today. Okay. So this is what you're gonna get on step 1, how to become an affiliate on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVSU. You kind of watch this video, I try to make my videos no longer than 10 minutes or so, but sometimes, sometimes I can't help it. I gotta explain stuff. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to go through different marketplaces so you can. Yeah, you're gonna see. Watch the whole video, okay? And make sure, guys, don't. I opened all of these up so you can kind of see, but do me a favor, don't kind of follow them in order. Don't jump. That's why a lot of people don't have success with affiliate marketing, because once they get a course, they don't follow the steps, they kind of they'll jump all over the place, and then they don't have a true understanding, and they don't get focused on what they're watching or seeing because they want to go ahead and get results quick. You gotta Guys, you got to put the time, you got to put the effort, you got to stay consistent, okay? It's not about just, I'm going to watch this course and I'm going to do it once and I'm going to expect, I'm going to see. No, you have to put the time, the work, and all that, which I'm going to teach you everything inside here. So first, the first video is how to become an affiliate for ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVSU. Okay, those are the top 3 that everybody promotes or they get their affiliate products links from. Okay, let me see. The next one is how to create a landing page. Okay, so I want to go ahead and stop here for a second real quick. All right, on this one, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with HBA. Okay, HBA, it's a platform where you build funnels, where you build sales pages, you build opt-in pages, capture pages, whatever, It's similar to ClickFunnels, but it's not. It does the same. It's the same purpose. You're capturing someone emails, but the difference is this is so much cheaper. This is like, I think, $25 to get started. ClickFunnels is like $97. Okay, so guys, think about that one. I'm all here, to help you to make money, not how to get money out of your pocket and throw it. I mean, it takes a little bit of money to get started. Don't get me wrong, it does. Any type of business, if it's a brick and mortar business, it takes time. There's a couple of tools that you're gonna require to get started, but I'm trying to help you where you don't have to invest a lot, okay? Because if I don't want you to spend $100 for a click, for a funnel building um, platform where you can get it here for only 25 bucks. It's common sense, guys. I'm here to help. I'm not here to trying to scam you or rob you off or nothing like that. Trust me. And watch this video. You're gonna see, it's pretty much the same thing, but you can go ahead and watch it and get started, okay? and it'll show you step by step how to get started with HBA. HBA, it's for Home Business Academy. So, and once you do that, make sure you go to the next one, which is your email autoresponder. I'll also show you how to integrate your capture page with your email autoresponder. And then once you choose any of these emails to get started, I think both of them is free to get started. I think one of them is like, if I'm not mistaken, I think both of them are like 30 days for free to get started. Yeah, that way you can start collecting, emails, your leads. Okay, so guys, it's just watch the videos. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then right here, I'll show you about traffic, where to get the best traffic. And if you want to go ahead and, I'm not sure if I have, no, if you don't see it in here, I will implement a free, uh, traffic, video. I think this is paid traffic, but if it's not in here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do free traffic, because people don't have money to spend. Okay. So, once you're starting off, I understand it's hard to get going because you're trying to make money. You're not here trying to spend money, but a little bit of tools are required to get started. That's if you want to, with any business. I don't care if you're starting with Shopify. I spend hundreds of Shopify, man, because they ask you to require tools, and those tools are not cheap. They're like $80 for every tool you need with Shopify. So right here, just two. You only need two, the most important ones, okay? Which is your email autoresponder, which is the first 30 days is free. And after that, I believe is like $14. And then the next one is that landing page, which is HBA, and it's only like 20, $25. That's about it, guys. But just go through the videos, get started. Like I said, once you get started, you have 3 sessions with me. Okay. You can hop in a live Zoom with me, and ask me any questions wherever you're stuck so I can help you get it going. Okay. I'm here to help you get you started, get you going, get you start earning income from home. Okay. How? With affiliate marketing. I'm here to teach you how to promote other products. Okay. And all at the end, you get paid, and you don't have to, you don't have to worry about the transactions or anything. You just post a link and then you get your commissions. That's about it, guys. I appreciate you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Do me a big favor. If you find this video interesting, if you think it's of value, you found a lot of content, a lot of value in it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Ring the notification bell, guys, so that way whenever I come out with new content, you'll be the first one to get notified. Okay. So guys, thank you once again. And if you want to go ahead and pick this up, let me know. I also will if you want to become an affiliate, also let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and post it on JVSU so that way you guys can become an affiliate. And on this, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and I don't know, give I want to start out with 50% commissions. So maybe I'll just give out 100% commissions. I don't know. We'll see. It's a $7 product, but for $7, it's got a lot of good information in here for people that want to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. Guys, thank you so much. I don't want to go ahead and make this video too long. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.